I've got to get out of this house today, so we are taking a ride to the river. It's not a far drive, so we try to take advantage of it every chance we get. It has a cute boat ramp where you can swim, a playground, a restroom, and RV and tent sites. We're here at the lake. You can come here and park and have a great camping fire. On my free time, this is where you'd find me.
It eventually came.
We're gonna walk on the trail back here to see if we can find access to the river. We're walking down the River Bluff Nature Trail. Little break, buddy.
You can see Dad's.
And we did find the river, guys, and it's beautiful. And of course, we can't come without playing on the playground. Benny loves the monkey bars and the slide. Ari's favorite is the swing. That was fun.